giving is sowing. So again, number 1, giving is sharing to rescue. And then, point number 2, giving is sowing. At ito naman po is to reap. For reaping naman po ito. Tingnan po natin ang sabi po ng Galatians chapter 6. Sa Galatians chapter 6, ang sabi po ng verses 6 hanggang verse number 10, let him that is taught in the word communicate unto him that teacheth in all good things. Be not deceived, God is not mocked. For whatsoever a man soweth, that shall he also reap. For he that soweth to his flesh shall of the flesh reap corruption. But he that soweth to the Spirit shall of the Spirit reap life everlasting. Verse number 9, and let us not be weary in well-doing, for in due season we shall reap if we faint not. If we have therefore, or as we have therefore opportunity, let us do good unto all men, especially unto them who are of the household of faith. Nandun pa rin po yung concept ng sharing, but in verse number 7, ang principle na itinuturo po ay ang principle ng sowing and reaping. This is exactly sa sinabi po ni Apostle Paul sa mga taga-Korinto. Remember, in 2 Corinthians chapter 9, verse number 6 and verse number 7, but this I say, he which soweth sparingly shall reap also sparingly. But he which soweth bountifully shall reap also bountifully. Every man according as he purposeth in his heart, so let him give, not grudgingly or of necessity, for God loveth a cheerful giver. In fact, kung makikita po natin sa mga verses na ito, ang encouragement na nasa sayo kung gaano ang gusto mong ani. Sapagkat ang principle ng giving, ayon sa biblical perspective, it is like sowing. Na kung ano raw po ang inihasik natin, yun daw po ang aanihin natin. At kung gaano raw po ang ating inihasik, ganun din po ang aanihin natin. Malinaw po yan. He which soweth sparingly shall reap also sparingly. But he which soweth bountifully shall reap also bountifully. So kaya if we really want to reap, hindi po masama na tayo po'y naghahasik dahil gusto nating umani. Design po ng Panginoon yan. Kaya nga, more chances na tayo po'y makapagbibigay, samantalahin po natin. Sapagkat samantalang tayo po'y naghahasik ng sagana, ang sabi po ng Biblia, aani po tayo ng sagana. Kaya nga, importante po na naiintindihan natin sa biblikong pananaw na ang giving po ay pagbabahagi. Ito po'y pagtulong, pagsaklolo sa nangangailangan. Pero ang giving po, ayon din sa itinuro po ng Bible, ay paghahasik. At siyempre po, sa usapin ng paghahasik, ang pinakaresulta nito ay ang pag-ani. Kaya, for me, ang unawa dito ay makakatulong para makita natin na hindi sapat na nagtatides tayo, nag-o-offering tayo, first fruit giving tayo, thanksgiving, offering tayo. So all kinds of giving in the Bible we can apply as long na ito po ay magiging pasya ng ating puso, na hindi po tayo nabibigatan. So, ayon sa biblical perspective on giving, giving is not just sharing, it is also sowing.